Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website called Cashident, okay? And you're wondering, can you really make $1,253.39 per offer and become a Cashident instead of a president, all right? Now, let's take a look at this website because there are lots of websites like this that promise you the world in terms of income. Let's see if it's really what they say it is, okay? Now, let's take a look at this website and let's see if it's a waste of your time or can you really make money from the website, all right? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month minimum, 100% from home, all you need is your computer. Just go ahead and click the link in the description box and I'll send you that training for free to your email, all right? Now, let's look at Cashident. Listen, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of websites like this, right? This one says, get paid to watch videos, search, listen to music and more, register for free. You can, register from anywhere in the world. And it says that you can earn up to over $1,000 per offer. That's a big income claim, okay? So anytime a website says that you can make, up to $1,000, $200 today, that kind of stuff, for me, that's a red flag already. I'm not saying that this website can't deliver that, but let's take a look at the website to see, excuse me, whether it can really deliver on its promises, right? Now, before we dive into the website, I want to take a look at the site itself because that's very, very important. Any type of website like this makes big promises to make money. You have to look at the site in general to have a look and see whether does it look a bit fishy or, are there any red flags? So let's take a look at the website. So first of all, pretty nice, clean site. English is good, which is nice. That's always a plus, right? But if you look at the bottom here, there's no terms of service. There's no disclaimer. There's no privacy policy. There's nothing. There's no way to get in touch with them. That is actually a red flag. I know it seems like a small thing, but actually, a lot of the time, it's a very, very big thing because it shows that they can't even be bothered to do all the legalities of the website, which generally speaking means that it's not run by a legit business, okay? Or it's run by a very small business and they don't care about any of that stuff, which is also a problem, okay? Now, if you look at the bottom, you can see Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube, but when you click on it, nothing happens, okay? That is also a red flag. They're not linking it to anywhere. They're not even linking it to a random Facebook page or LinkedIn, nothing. It's just not even working, which is also a red flag. Okay, so it's some of the things that you just need to be aware of, okay? Now, if I log into the members area, I created a free account, all right? I go into the members area. Basically, it's very simple. All you see is it says, watch a full 1 hour course, you get $10. Wow, okay. You watch earn $15 per hour searching on Google. I mean, that sounds pretty good, right? Earn $750 per song that you listen to. That sounds really interesting. Look at this, $8 for a 3-minute survey. I mean, that's crazy, right? I would want to do that. Who wouldn't want to do that? But listen, I've reviewed so many different business models. I know for a fact that you cannot get paid $8 for a 3-minute survey. It's just not possible because all of the legitimate survey websites only pay between 50 cents and $2 per survey. And usually those surveys will take anywhere from 20 minutes to an hour, right? So it is impossible for a website to pay you $8 for a 3-minute survey. That to me is a red flag right there. Only because I know the survey industry very well, because again, I've been doing this a long time. I've reviewed hundreds of survey websites and the legit ones don't pay that much money. So red flag for me right there, okay? Look at this. Get $5 for a 2-minute survey. Again, red flag right there. Even $3.60 for a 2-minute survey. No way, it's impossible. 2-minute survey will pay you like 1 cent or less than a cent, a tenth of a cent, okay? So again, $14 to watch Netflix. Let's click in here to see exactly what's actually happening, all right? Now, let me click into this one, the song one, right? Now, if I click into it, they want you to opt in again. And it says, enter your best email where we can send you songs to listen to and receive more similar jobs. Okay, now what I think this is you're just going to get on someone's list where they're going to send you offers. All right, you're not really going to get $8 to listen to a song because there is no such website, not that I'm aware of. I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways, even websites where you can listen to songs, watch movies, watch ads, things like that, watch videos. None of them will pay you $8 per song. That's just way too much. They can't make money that way. Even if they're going to show you tons of ads, an average song is 3 minutes long. They will not pay you $8 to listen to a 3-minute song or watch 3 minutes of ads. Just impossible, okay? So I think they're just going to try and get you on their email list and they're just going to email you a bunch of offers. All right, I hope that makes sense. Now, if you scroll down right here, it says, click the button below to learn how to make $40 per click. Now, if I click on here, it goes straight to an affiliate link where they're going to sell you a product. Check this out. In 53 seconds, Instablast with links will send you never-ending buyer clicks. You have to buy this in order to do it. So yes, you could potentially make $40.10, but you have to buy this product. It's an $8 product right here, and it's on Warrior Plus, which means that there will be a lot of upsells, very likely, okay? So what I think that this particular, this whole website here is set up to do is it's set up to sell you affiliate offers. Okay, that's what it looks like. That's the feeling I get. I'm actually a professional affiliate marketer. This is basically, what I think that these guys are trying to do here. They're trying to get you on their email list. They're promising you that you can make this kind of money, but for the most part, you can't. Right? See, that one doesn't even work. Let's try another one right here. Okay, this one also doesn't work. I mean, when links don't work, that's really dodgy. Okay, so again, $15 per video, you're gonna receive jobs. Okay, so you're not really necessarily going to earn $15 per hour. They're gonna send you a lot of offers that you might have to download, pay for, that kind of thing, and they also still try and get you back on their their link here so that you can buy this product from them. Okay, so that's all it is. Okay, it's basically smoke and mirrors. I think this is an affiliate website. They try and get you to sign up here. They make it look like it's free jobs and stuff like that, but it's not, unfortunately. That's what it does. It doesn't look like that. I probably wouldn't waste my time with this website because it looks like it's smoke and mirrors. They're not going to deliver what they actually promise. Look, there are websites where you can watch videos and listen to music and stuff and earn a little bit of money, but you will never ever be able to earn $1,253. Impossible. They just don't pay that much. Legit video websites where you watch ads, they will pay you, less than 1 cent per ad that you watch, because that's the only amount of money they can pay you. Otherwise, they would go broke. Okay, so I would stay away from a website like Cashident. It's probably not going to deliver on its promise. Too many red flags here. I probably wouldn't even bother with it. All right, but if you're watching this video right now, perhaps you're looking for a way to make money online. Maybe you really do want to make a side income or full-time income. Listen, there are lots of great ways to do it, but my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 per month, 100% from home. I'll send you that strategy for free. If you would like to check it out, just click on the link below. I'll send that straight to your email and you can check that out. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review today of Cashident, and I will see you on another review video. Take care.